science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. It's time to go full steam ahead with another experiment. This time around, we're asking the question, can a liquid also be a solid? First, let's recap what we already know. We know that a solid has a stable, definite shape that doesn't change unless it's broken or cut. And we know that liquids have no definite shape and can change to fit the shape of their container. So, how can something possibly be both? One word, two syllables. Oobleck. Huh? An oobleck is what's called a non-Newtonian fluid because it looks like one thing but behaves like another when force is applied. Pretty cool, huh? Let's make it. All you'll need is 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, and a cake pan or other container that can lie flat. Mix the 2 substances together in the container, and voila! Oobleck made to order. Notice how if you tap the surface of the oobleck, it will feel hard. But if you slowly dip your hand into the mixture, your fingers will sink in easily. If you made enough of it, you could actually walk on oobleck, but if you went too slowly, you'd sink. Want to make some oobleck at home and conduct your own experiment? Head to KidTechNation.com and check out the Discovery Lab for this and other incredible experiments.